And then me chat for you know nipa do no mo hwe me ene nipa do mo anta me Chief Naa Zali na ekasa afishapa afin come to e nyame ma afi we no na bibia nsesari ama nyina. Chief Naa Zali says that a Merry Christmas to any human being in this world and a prosperous new year. This year is going to be an interesting place. This year is going to be a richest place. This year is going to be somebody who doesn't give birth will give birth. Somebody who doesn't achieve will achieve. Nyamema afi we no na sika enda no suade amanye nyina. Nyamema's long life and prosperity and achievement become ours in this world. Today I stand, Chief Naa Zali, to greet every human being, whole world, to tell you the happy new year and a prosperous new year again, for us to live long and enjoy to the fullest of our lives. As a human being, every human being has his own aim on being on this earth. Before you are delivered from your father or from your mother, before you are delivered, you have hope in life that tomorrow you also get up and become a successful being. We wish that God should bless that success that we seek for. That blessing that we seek for, God should grant it for us so that we'll live long and get money. If you have money, you'll get long life. If you get long life, you'll live long and enjoy whatever you have lived for. I wish everybody a happy new year and a Merry Christmas. Today, I'm standing here to say good morning and good afternoon, good evening to every human being in this world who seek best for himself. This 2021 that has passed, there was so much complication, and the complication was that COVID came, that was COVID-19, came and distract so much things that happened. And even today, it is been existence in so many parts of the world. COVID-19 and COVID-19 also, it has a cure, it doesn't have a cure, whatever. It exists before it even came. But it has distracted the work so much that today people want to even come to be initiated into the Zurik family. But because of the COVID, they are not even able to come. But the only thing I will tell you is that for us to be a safe guide, you have to prepare yourself. Maybe to prevent yourself from this COVID. I can't force any human being, for you to come to be initiated. No. Because there is something that is disturbing the world. That is the COVID. But I can't force you. But there are so many ways that we can follow before any human being can become a successful being. When you call Chief Naa Zali on my number 054-0222-442, I will tell you whatever we will do so that whatever you want, you will surely get it. And this year, I'm telling this 2022 year that we are going into is going to be a marvelous. There are so many achievements. There are so many success. There is long life. There is achievement. But the only thing that I want to say towards this 2022, that will happen. Never underestimate yourself this 2022. Whatever you get, you have to appreciate it and pray and to open worldwide. Today, I always say it. Today, the money that we spend is being guided by special forces. I'm telling you, businessmen will go up. Even if you know yourself and know whatever God has blessed you and you fulfill it, I'm telling you, you surely live long and get whatever you want again and get money again. So the only thing I'm telling you, this 22, people will get money. There is long life in this year. There is achievement in this year. There is success in this year. But you can never be in your house and get it unless you get up, unless you wear your boot, tighten your belt, wear your suit, get up and fight and get whatever you want. You can never be in your room praying to God. God, I want money, and you fall from heaven and come and you get the money. Never. God said there's no food for the lazy man. Somebody wrote it on his car. I was driving and somebody wrote it that there's no food for the lazy man. Do you know what he said again? He wrote again, say it again. That means that when you say there's no food for a lazy man, he wrote again on the car. That say it again, you have to repeat it again. That means that if you repeat it again, it will sound on your ear for you to be motivated so that you work hard. So there is no food for a lazy man. You can never sit where they are doing draft. You can never see where they are playing cards. You can never see where they are doing some foolish things in life. For you to become successful, you have to wake up. You have to get up and work hard so that things will become good for you. Tomorrow, somebody will see you and you will become a role model for somebody. The person that you are seeing today as a role model, somebody called Chief Naa Zali, I want to become you. You can never become me when you are in your room. You can never become who Chief Naa Zali is. And you are in your room, fucking your wife in the morning, in the afternoon, in the evening. Doing all sort of things that you want. Never, unless you get up. Do you know the road that Chief Naa Zali followed before he became who he became today? No. The world is not on a silver platter that you just pick it. It will just lie on the floor, you just pick it. No. It's full of struggle. This year, I have so many activities to run up. Even from November, people call me from November saying that Chief Naa Zali, I want to be initiated. Chief Naa Zali, I want to come to you. I say no, November, December, I don't work because I wrap up with whatever I do. The spiritual aspect I have, I work with them so that because I knew that before February to March, I have so many activities. And the activity is that I'm going to summon every suprema of the Zurik Brotherhood who will come to Ghana and sit. It's going to be wonderful. I'm telling you. Before February, maybe 25th of February, getting to March, when you come to my house, it's going to be a miracle. People will take money home. People will enjoy money. People will become happy. People will come rich in my house that very day. Because members from the whole world will come, will display money, will show money. And money holds the heart. Money holds the life. Money holds everything. People that day, people will come to my house and become rich. Because we display so much money. Whatever you have never seen before, you will see it. The miracle you have never seen before, that day you will see it. Pastors, you will see pastors who possess so much money and they are inside. But that day is going to be a miracle. We will kill cows, we will kill sheep, we will kill animals, abundant. It is going to be a marvelous celebration. I urge every human being to join the Zurik Brotherhood. It is the suprema in this whole world. There's no any brotherhood that will be like the Zurik family. Never. The Zurik Brotherhood is an exceptional. I want every human being to join the Zurik Brotherhood. Do you know whatever the reason why they gave the word the Zurik family? The Zurik means that come together and nest each other to become successful. That's what it means. Somebody called me Chief Naa Zali. Why do you give Zurik Brotherhood? I said Zurik Brotherhood has a reason. That human beings should come together. We should bring our mouth together, hold each other as brothers, and live long and enjoy what God has given to us. That is the meaning of the brotherhood. So the Zurik family, I always pray that one day, even if I'm not there, the brotherhood will become the whole world. It will be worldwide, nationwide, everywhere. You will find a brotherhood of Zurik because we do good. We don't kill. We protect and promote long life and prosperity. And God says that whoever promotes long life, you will worship me and get whatever you want. Call Chief Naa Zali on 054-0222-442. That is the only number I use. When you call me on this number, you talk to me and I'll show you what we'll do and success will become ours. My brother and my sister, don't sit idle thinking that you can get whatever you want. Your success is in the hands of your fellow human being. Your achievement is in the hands of your fellow human being. You can never get it on a silver platter. You can't sit down and pray to God that God give me what I want. Give me a husband. And you'll be in your house always. When you be in your house, will you get your husband? Unless you come out. Before you meet somebody who will enter your life, who will tell you that I love you before you become a relationship, before you become husband and wife. You can never be in your room and tell God, I want husband, and you are always in the room. Unless you go out. When you go out, you get the husband and he will protect you and guide you. So my brother and my sister, never sit in your room thinking that you get whatever you want. Get up. Pick the number on the screen and call Chief Naa Zali. The number of 054-0222-442. That is the only number. They say that good thing comes from a bad thing. And bad thing also comes from good. Please call Chief Naa Zali and I'll combine everything and help you and you become a successful human being. Chief Naa Zali says that a Merry Christmas to any human being in this world and a prosperous new year. This year is going to be an interesting place. This year is going to be a richest place. This year is going to be somebody who doesn't give birth will give birth. Somebody who doesn't achieve will achieve. Who doesn't want to go forward will achieve. I pray God to the president of this Ghana, President Akufo-Addo, should take care of us and protect this world for us and protect whatever we are going to eat and clothe, because he is the head of this country. So whatever you do, we have to commence prayers to him so that God will guide him and protect him, and he will live long and protect the country for us so that we'll achieve whatever we want. This 2022 should not be the same as 2021. It should be a different model, be a different style, be a different achievement, be a different long life, so that we'll all achieve and get whatever we want. Call Chief Naa Zali. Call Chief Naa Zali. He is the only Chief Naa Zali that you can see on this world who can help you and you achieve whatever you seek on this world. I bless every human being in this country with long life and prosperity and achievement. This year should be a year of happiness, not a year of sorrow. Sorrow is gone. That is 2021. We don't want sorrow again. We want achievement. We want money. We want long life, and we want prosperity. I greet every human being on this earth that whatever you seek, you can never get it on a silver platter unless you get up and work for it, and you will surely get whatever you want. God says that there is no food for the lazy man. And somebody say it again. That say it again. Let's follow say it again and achieve whatever we want. I give you the sign of the brotherhood across my forehead and across my chest to every member of the Zurik brotherhood. I greet everybody that from February to March is going to be a miracle. It's going to be like a crusade. I will perform a crusade. The sick will get up. Those who can walk will get up. Those who are poor will become rich. That is how it's going to be. From February to March, it's going to be a miracle. I'm telling you, the miracle I have. But that is the reason why I limited from November to December. I was not working. There were so many things that were. Members of my brotherhood from the Suprema, I'm telling you people that things that you requested and you went back, this year you get it. Because all of this, I have brought everything. When you even come, I pray that this year is going to miracle. When you come and I give you the spirit, when you come to me, when you enter, you communicate with the spirit. I will not be there. The only thing I will do is that I will be sitting outside and your problem will be solved and you come out. That is how it is going to be this year. This year, I will never sit and hold a knife and kill a fowl. Take the fowl inside the spirit. The spirit will tell you whatever you want and you will do it and come out and your problem will be solved. That's how it's going to be this year. This 2022 is going to be a different style, different everything. Achievement and fulfillment is going to be different. If your father and your mother give birth to you, you have to give birth to yourself, because they are your father. They brought you to this world. They are going back, and if they are going back, what will you also hold for your children to also see? That is the reason why my grandfather said that if you give birth, try and tell your children that I have also given birth. Also try and also give birth, so that he will see the nature of this world and achieve whatever he wants. I wish everybody a Merry Christmas. Come to Chief Naa Zali, and whatever you want, you will surely get it. I bless everybody. My spirit doesn't prevent you from your worship. Your worship to God Almighty Allah is different. And your achievement to Almighty Allah is different. Don't be deceived. Don't be deceived by your fellow human being. That if you have a spirit, you can't pray. You can't do what is wrong, my brother. Who created the spirit? Is God. Don't be deceived, my brother. Don't say that you are a Christian, you are a Muslim. My brother, seek for your own protection in this world. Pray and get the right thing. And whatever you want, you will surely get it. Come to Chief Naa Zali. You will surely get whatever you seek. I will never deceive you. Don't also deceive me when you are coming to me. And whatever we want, we will surely get it. Somebody says that there is no food for the lazy man. And somebody wrote it on his card. They say it again. That is what I have to say again. Never let this year become, say it again, to 2023. Let this year become a happiness and glory into your life. And I wish everybody long life and prosperity. Happy New Year.